सगळ्या खबर आहा आमकां एक आश्वासन दिल्लें एंड इट इज आर रायट एज प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशन डे जे हे मणिपुराचे जे रेजोल्युशन आशिल्लें द स्पीकर सेड that on Friday today we had to raise it. That is why the assembly continued. Ada, with regards to this issue, this is a very serious issue. And if you look at the private members' resolution listed today, the last one by Praveen Allekar, and it is about the heritage policy. And under Rule 115, then already on 28th July it has been discussed on this heritage policy. Yani under Rule 115, if any discussion that has happened cannot be repeated within 6 months. So, huina diska inga amcher ek anyay jata, and we strongly protest against this sort of attitude. And today we will make sure that the Honorable Speaker should take up this issue, because there is the way Manipur is burning today. It is happening in Manipur. What guarantees it that it won't happen in Goa tomorrow? But that is the reason why, as a mark of protest, they are wearing black.
तो गोव्यान जावता कशें दिसता म्हाका आमी हालींच पयलें की 2 स्टेटमेंट दिले एका सायडीसून शिवाजीचेर बी सो
all these things should not happen. This is not in the interest of Goa. I believe let us not politicize it, but we have to debate in the house. We have to debate and see how ways so that this communal tension do not happen. This is the main agenda, and it is our right as private members' resolution. The BBC documented today. It is a fourth pillar of democracy. It is an attack against the journalist. It is an attack against you all also. So they can discuss whenever they want. They are saying sub judice. Whenever they want, they are saying they are discussing these matters. House is supreme. So what is this?